Welcome to the cutting-edge world of DIY and professional craftsmanship, where precision meets convenience with the latest innovations in cordless screwdrivers for 2024. In an era of efficiency and versatility, the demand for tools that empower users to tackle projects easily has never been higher. Enter the realm of cordless screwdrivers, where freedom from cords doesn't mean sacrificing power or performance. In this video, we embark on a journey through the best cordless screwdrivers of 2024, exploring their features, advancements, and the seamless integration of technology and design that elevates the user experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, join us as we unveil the top contenders shaping the landscape of modern craftsmanship. Skil Cordless Screwdriver. The Skil Cordless Screwdriver is a reliable companion for everyday DIY needs, offering convenience, safety, and efficiency at $39. Its compact design and ergonomic grip make it perfect for small projects around the house. One standout feature is the circuit sensor technology, which enhances safety by detecting electrical currents in outlets, switches, and fixtures, ensuring peace of mind while working on electrical tasks. Switching between forward and reverse modes is seamless with a simple collar turn, making it easy to tackle any project with precision. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and micro-USB charging capability, this screwdriver eliminates downtime, keeping you powered up for extended periods. The dual LED lights enhance visibility in dimly lit areas, ensuring accurate work even in challenging conditions. Included with a 45-piece bit set and a USB charging cable, the Skil Cordless Screwdriver offers versatility and convenience in one package. Whether assembling furniture, hanging pictures, or performing general repairs, this durable, long-lasting tool set delivers consistent performance and precise results. Overall, the Skil Cordless Screwdriver is a must-have for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts, offering simplicity, reliability, and efficiency for many projects. BLACK+DECKER Li2000. The BLACK+DECKER Li2000 cordless screwdriver stands out as a reliable and versatile tool, available at an affordable price of $39. It is designed with practicality and user comfort in mind. This screwdriver is equipped with features that enhance control and efficiency in various tasks. The 3-position handle allows users to work in tight spaces without compromising comfort, enabling seamless maneuverability in challenging environments. The spindle lock feature also provides manual screw-driving capability, offering increased control for precise applications. Switching between forward and reverse modes is effortless with the convenient forward/reverse switch, making driving screws and removing them a breeze. The compact and lightweight design further enhances usability, allowing for easy portability from one job to another. Powered by a 3.6 volts lithium-ion battery, the Li2000 ensures consistent performance and holds its charge for up to 18 months, eliminating the hassle of frequent recharging. Including 2 hex shank screwdriver bits and a charger adds to this tool set's overall value and convenience. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER Li2000 cordless screwdriver is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering durability, versatility, and long-lasting performance at an affordable price point. Fanttik S1 Pro. The Fanttik S1 Pro electric screwdriver offers top-notch performance and versatility at a reasonable price of $69. With 3 torque levels ranging from 1.5 to 4.2 Newton-meters and a maximum hard torque of 6 Newton-meters. This tool provides precise and accurate torque forces for various handiwork needs. The immediate stop feature upon lifting the finger enhances efficiency, allowing users to work smarter, not harder. Included are 16 high-quality metal bits across 5 categories, ensuring readiness for a wide range of repair tasks. The coated S2 hardened steel construction guarantees durability and longevity, ensuring reliable performance for years. The magnetic aluminum alloy case provides convenient storage and organization for the screwdriver and bits, with a satisfying pop-up mechanism for easy access. Both the chuck and bits are magnetic for quick and effortless attachment. Powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, the S1 Pro offers long-lasting operation, capable of driving up to 340 screws on a single charge. The intuitive placement of the power indicator keeps users informed of the battery status. The Fanttik S1 Pro electric screwdriver is a sophisticated and powerful tool set, offering exceptional performance, convenience, and durability for assembly and repair tasks. DeWalt 8V Max. The DeWalt 8V Max cordless screwdriver is a pinnacle of precision and efficiency in power tools, offering unparalleled control and performance for $89. Engineered with motion activation, variable speed, and reversing control, this screwdriver provides precise fastening control, ensuring optimal results in every task. It's featuring motion-activated variable speed ranging from 0 to 430 revolutions per minute. This rechargeable screwdriver is tailor-made for fastening into wood, plastic, and light-gauge metal, delivering swift and accurate results with its use. Additionally, illumination in confined areas eliminates shadows, enhances visibility, and facilitates work in challenging environments. One of its standout features is the battery charge status indicator on the tool, which notifies users when it's time to recharge, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. The 0.25-inch hex allows quick screwdriver bit changes and securely holds 1-inch bit tips, streamlining the process and saving valuable time. Powered by an 8V Max battery pack, this screwdriver offers longer runtime and charges in just 1 hour, maximizing productivity and minimizing downtime. The DeWalt 8V Max cordless screwdriver is a game-changer in power tools, combining precision, efficiency, and reliability to elevate your workmanship to new heights. HOTO X1 Pro. The HOTO X1 Pro cordless screwdriver redefines convenience and functionality, offering a comprehensive solution for all your screwdriving needs at $59. It is designed to focus on user comfort and efficiency. This all-in-one set features 12 durable S2 steel long bits stored in a frosted alloy storage box with a soft rubber top handle for enhanced portability. Maneuverability is key with the HOTO X1 Pro, thanks to its screw-unscrew buttons and circular LED shadowless lamp that automatically turns off after 10 seconds. The lightweight design and double-layered soft grip enable effortless one-handed operation, while the 4-staged rotary knob and built-in intelligent chip allow precise torque adjustment for various tasks. Despite its minimalist appearance, the X1 Pro boasts impressive functionality. The 1500 mAh large-capacity battery undergoes rigorous testing to ensure ultra-long endurance, capable of driving more than 1,000 screws on a single charge. The high-speed magnetic motor and metallic gearbox deliver strong and stable power output, while the universal Type-C charging interface ensures convenient charging. Moreover, the built-in circuit board enhances responsiveness, stopping rotation immediately upon button release to prevent damage to screws and potential injury to users. Overall, the HOTO X1 Pro cordless screwdriver is a versatile and reliable tool that combines durability, precision, and safety for all your screwdriving tasks. Milwaukee M4 Screwdriver. The Milwaukee M4 Screwdriver is a powerhouse of precision and efficiency, albeit at a premium price of $148. It boasts 44 pounds of peak torque and a 21-position clutch with auto shut-off. This screwdriver provides improved torque control for repetitive applications, ensuring precise results every time. With 2 speeds, 200 and 600 revolutions per minute, users have further control for precision work, making it suitable for various tasks. Measuring a mere 9.6 inches in length and weighing less than a pound, the M4 screwdriver is incredibly easy to handle with one hand, facilitating seamless operation even in tight spaces. The 0.25 inches quick change chuck allows for effortless one-handed bit changes, enhancing user convenience and efficiency. Powered by Milwaukee's Red Lithium 2.0 battery, the M4 screwdriver offers exceptional runtime, capable of drilling more than 200 holes per charge. This marks a significant advancement in battery technology, providing up to 50% more runtime than previous models. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, Milwaukee reaffirms its commitment to delivering innovative power, productivity, and portability solutions. Overall, the Milwaukee M4 Screwdriver is a top-tier choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking unparalleled performance and reliability in a cordless screwdriver.